Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. I am also fit as fiddle. So today, first of all, I have started listening. We all know that listening is important part to learn this language. And I listen and watch English video regular. No matter what happen, listening is my favorite method or exercise, you can say. So as you can see, I am listening a English video. The video is related to a motivational speech, so I listen this video very carefully. And one more thing that I want to tell you, listening is not only help you to improve your English, but it help you to understand better, because we all know that how to make sentences, but the problem is the expression. And when we listen, we learn expressions, how to express our emotions, our thoughts in a better way, how to use advanced word phrases and idioms. So when we listen carefully, we understand how to use them in a correct way. So that's why listening is very important, and you have to listen at least 10 minutes on daily basis. I do it on daily basis. I never skip listening. I can skip any other activities, but I never skip listening practice, and I love it. And my favorite practice is listening. And here I am writing down some sentences or phrases that I am listening right now. So when I feel that okay, these sentences, words, or something else that I can use in my daily life, that I can use in my conversations, those sentences I write down, so it can help me to practice after completed the video. So that's why I am writing along with listening, and this will help you too. So if you are listening something and then you feel that okay, these sentences and phrases and vocabulary, if you need and if you want to use in your life, in your conversation, then you have to write down, and after that you just practice it on daily basis. It will help you definitely. So here I have completed my listening part. Now I am doing reading. uh, Basically I love to reading books, and these days I am reading books for my learning English purpose. So that's why here I am reading a book, and I will tell you on the name of the books that I am reading these days in another videos. But now the thing is that I am reading, and I am trying to reading not so loud and not so low. So here I am reading in very normal way. I mean, I am not shouting on, and I am not speak very slow or read very slow, because this is what we need to have a conversation. When we have a conversation with somebody, we just speak in a normal way. So reading is also important, you can say, and you can say reading is help you to improve your English. And what I think is, reading is not directly help you to learn this language in your initial phase, because when you are beginner, maybe you cannot understand the complete sentence, the complete paragraph, but you just read and it will help you to your mouth. Because I always say that our mouth is not habituated to speak in this language, and that's why sometimes we pronounce the word in a wrong way. And reading help you to improve your this habit. Okay, so that's why reading aloud is important and necessary. Okay, so so here I am reading a book, and now I have completed my listening part and my reading part. Now I am trying to shadowing practice, because whatever I have noted in my notebook, I am trying to speak in my way, or I just give to my mouth this exercise, so I can pronounce the word in a right way. And I think shadowing practice, or this kind of practice can help you to get fluency, because fluency is must, fluency is necessary. Without fluency you cannot impress, you cannot express your thought in a very good manner. So that's why this exercise also important. So as you can see, I have completed my three exercise. The first one is listening. First I have listened and watched a English videos. Then I started reading. I have done my reading and listening. Then I started doing shadowing practice, and I have done it almost. So I have completed three activities of my 2 days. Now I am doing shadowing practice in my phone as well, because earlier I did my shadowing practice through my notebook. Now I'm trying to do my shadowing practice in my phone, because when we listen, when we watch videos, then we cannot speak or we cannot repeat in the same way, because we have to listen a lot of time. After that we can repeat in the same time. Okay, so that's why after watching or listening and reading, after completing all my exercises, I just try to remember those sentences, words and structures, because as I told you earlier, I make a lot of mistake in structure pattern. So that's why I decided to read all the sentences, or you can say whatever I watched or listen, I just read those sentences. That can help me a lot. I don't know this will help you or not, but it will help me, it helped me a lot. And as per my experience, I can say it will definitely help you.